How did Babylonians influence measuring angles with 360 degrees? Imagine looking up at the sky and trying to understand the sun's path across the sky. How did ancient people decide how to measure the angles of the sky? Well, a long time ago, the Babylonians played a big role in shaping how we measure angles today. They used a special number system called the sexagesimal system, which is based on the number 60. This system made dividing things into smaller parts much easier because 60 has many divisors. Around 2000 BC, the Sumerians started this system, and the Babylonians refined it around 500 BC. They decided to split a circle into 360 equal parts, which we now call degrees. Why 360? Because 60, their favorite number, has many factors like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. This made dividing circles into fractions simple and quick. The Babylonians also observed the sky and noticed that the sun seemed to take about 360 days to go around the earth. So, they linked the 360 degrees of a circle to their calendar year. They thought of the sky as a giant circle, and dividing it into 360 parts helped them track the sun's movement. They also used triangles with angles of 60 degrees at each corner. When 6 of these triangles fit perfectly around a point, they made a full circle of 360 degrees. This idea of dividing a circle into 360 parts became a standard way to measure angles. The Babylonians didn't stop there. They divided each degree into 60 smaller parts called minutes, and each minute into 60 seconds. This sexagesimal system carried over into how we measure time today, with 60 minutes in an hour and 60 seconds in a minute. Their way of thinking about angles and time has lasted for thousands of years. So, the reason we measure angles in degrees, minutes, and seconds comes from the Babylonians' clever use of their number system and their observations of the sky. They made dividing circles into 360 parts practical and easy, and that idea stuck around. Their influence is why we still use degrees to measure angles in shapes, polygons, and circles today. It's a simple, effective way to understand the world around us, all thanks to ancient Babylonian math and astronomy.